Back out here to Michigan City this morning. An absolutely gorgeous day. Walking around with the family. Highly recommend getting out here today. The pier is pretty clean. Stay off of the ice, obviously. Lots of mountains still, but almost no breeze. 50 degrees and sunny in February. You don't get that very often. Enjoying our full juice spring. But right now it is just beautiful reflection. If it wasn't for the power plant next door here, it'd be silent. A couple of guys out here fishing. Water's crystal clear. You can see the bottom if you're walking around. Something you don't get to see every day. So fishermen are starting to show up. Checking out Mount Baldy out there. A little bit of ice. Quickly melting. After next week, probably won't be much. A lot of people out here today.